your blood is iron. If you put your head to the north and sleep during the night when you're in horizontal positions, then slowly the blood will get pulled towards your brain. When there is too much circulation in the brain, you cannot sleep peacefully. It'll keep you disturbed, demons will bother you. It won't let you sleep. If you have any kind of, inherently weak aspects in your brain, or if you're of old age, you could die in your sleep. One can have hemorrhage because extra blood is trying to enter the brain where the blood vessels are hair-like. Something extra is being pushed because of the magnetic pull. When you're in a vertical position, this is not so. The moment you become horizontal, this pull on the head is so strong that slowly the blood tries to move towards the brain. Nobody cares how the boy is dressed. But people are looking at how the girl is dressed because she's getting the attention.
So is it a package that because she gets the attention, she has to be…
Yeah, she has to dress well because she has to be pleasant to our eyes because we're looking at her. Isn't it?
Belief system. There is substantial scientific and medical evidence. Today, research has gone into the University of California, has done an enormous research on the simple Shambhavi Mahamudra, the basic practice that we teach. 3 months of practice, the neuronal rejuvenation in your brain is 241% more than the average.
And today…
We have scientific evidence to show you. The University of California has done scientific studies on Shambhavi Mahamudra, the basic practice we teach usually. And they say if you practice Shambhavi Mahamudra for 3 months, the neuronal regeneration increases by 241%.
The University of California did a study, an extensive study on this, and they found those who are doing Shambhavi for more than 3 months, the neuronal regeneration in the brain is 241% higher than the average.
There have been many instances, I have not personally seen, but I know people who have no reason to lie about it and they will not, such people have actually seen a burning body getting up and walking. They've set fire to it, it's burning, but it gets up and walks. Up to 5 to 7 minutes, it's behaving as if it's alive.
Miracle! 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 Miracle!
Instead of teaching this yoga, if I sit in Chennai and just predict people's future, I will tell you in the next 10 years exactly what will happen in your life. Within 3 days, I will have a reputation that half the Chennai will be standing in queue. Very easily I can do that. But in the yoga center also there are people who have been into so much sadhana, they can do such things. If they ever do such things, I will finish them.